got turned around in some little town I'd been to before, through the middle of June. There was something in the headlights that stopped me on a dime. I just threw her in the truck. Well, she was scared to death, so I threw it in dry. Ooh,
I'd always an angel, 'cause angel do what he did. He was hell-bent to find all the whiskeys by him. I know my day of justice would come, but I knew right then I'd get hit again when he said to me,
wait, just I knocked and knocked and knocked. I kicked in his double and waited for the car.